Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm looking at the Trailblazer Alfresco 120. What a beast this is. So this beast of a grill is from Trailblazer over in Ireland. It's the Alfresco 120. Huge bit of kit and a lot of grilling area. I'm looking forward to getting stuck in to play with this. First off though, I wanted to have a quick look at some of the features. Sturdy clips shut down the hood. Reassuringly weighty. And a clip keeps the hood up. The handle on the side here raises and lowers that main grill. Nice thing is, gull wing doors, so you can have two people cooking on either side. There's a pretty vast amount of grill space there and another rack on top there. That can go right up and down again. In the bottom here you place your charcoal, and then any empty coals can be pulled out into an ash catcher. Makes cleaning up easy. There's a drawer down the bottom there to catch that ash. Empty that out, job done. So, first impressions, solid sturdy bit of kit. Really looking forward to cooking on this. Great job Trailblazer. I'm really excited to get cooking on this now. So yeah, I'll be cooking some recipes up in the future on this and doing some videos and coming up with recipes for them. So yeah, looking forward to using this. If you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, there's a button down there in the bottom. Subscribe, like, comment, you know what to do. Take care, cheers.